How to use an oxygen concentrator. An oxygen concentrator uses the surrounding atmosphere to create oxygen-rich air. It does this by pulling air into the oxygen machine and purifying it, removing any impurities. Using an oxygen concentrator is not as difficult as it seems. Follow these next steps to get maximum output from your oxygen concentrator. An oxygen concentrator needs plenty of space. Place the concentrator in an unobstructed part of your house. Attach the humidification bottle, if prescribed, to the outlet. The position of the outlet might depend on the model you use. Next, attach the oxygen tubing to the oxygen adapter or the humidification bottle if you are using one. Air filters remove particles and allergens from the air. Securely attach the air filter in this space. It takes time for the oxygen concentrator to begin air circulation. Switch on the machine 15 to 20 minutes before you begin the therapy. This is the knob for controlling the oxygen flow rate. Turn it to adjust the oxygen flow rate to what is prescribed. Wear the oxygen mask or cannula securely over the mouth and nose. Begin breathing slowly for a couple of minutes and then resume normal breathing. See, using a concentrator wasn't that difficult, was it? Learn more at healthproductsforyou.com.